Okay, now we're going to go to do the top lock here. So what we've got to do is adjust the actual tool to make sure that you've got the height before you insert. So it goes to the centre of the letterbox, as so, from here, and the actual end is on the back of the turn. So that is correct on its height. So now we're going to insert the tool. And as you can see back on the camera, we're trying to obviously find the turn. There it is, too high. Coming down. Line up the turn. We're on. 1, 2, door open. Right, now what we're going to do is we've extended the actual tool here to reach up to the turn that's up the higher in the door. Now we're obviously going to go around the back and show you how to do that. But what you do is obviously you measure, as per in another video, how to get the length of the tool from the front. Okay, well, as per the other video. Now we're going to go around the back and show you on a crystal clear camera actually how to use this. As it's longer, you've got to try and keep the handle close to the door to keep the actual arm further away from the door. Now we'll tilt the handle towards me, which then will give me on the camera roughly where I am. Now we're nearly there. Adjust the turn, go back a bit, and we're located. And then all we've got to do is rotate the turn. There we go. Also, it will do standard night latches like this one with the same adjustment, or if it needs to be larger, you can adjust the pins accordingly to what you're trying to attack or operate. Let's put that down there and we'll go back to the other side and do that for you. Obviously have no training on this one, so we've got to locate it. There we are. Straight up. Higher, higher. And I think we're on. That's going to be a dud video, or not. And there we go. And we're in. Alright?